Convert 7/8 into a decimal using long division. 7/8. Little man knocks the fraction over. That means 7 goes under the house. 8 goes into 7 cannot, so I'm going to put a decimal with a 0 and go straight up. Let's see, 8 goes into 70. Let's see, 8 times 9 is 72. So therefore, 8 times 8 is 64. 8 goes into 70 8 times. 8 times 8 is 64. Subtract, and I'm left with 6. Nothing to bring down, so I'm going to add a 0, bring that down. Let's see, I forgot my decimal up there. So 8 goes into 60. Let's see, 8 times 8 was 64, so it's not 8. 8 times 7 is 56, so I know that 8 fits into 67 times. 8 times 7 is 56, subtract away, and I get 4. Nothing to bring down, so I'm going to add a 0, bring that down. 8 goes into 40 exactly 5 times. So therefore 7/8, and let's see, actually, let me finish my problem. Okay, perfect, I'm done. We have ourselves a terminating decimal. Awesome. So we have a terminating decimal. My final answer, 7/8, must be equal to 8.75.